Alright, so I just wanted to show the back area. We have the processor stuff right here on the back side. We have these little vent things, they're little rubbery tassels. I put the fan stuff through here, that way all the fan cords over here and not on the inside. I'll show that in a second. But the front end does have two of these guys for those fans, and hopefully that one in the back, the one up top here, oh, it has 3 or 4s, so I might roll those back here as well. It'd have to be through over here or something. That way they can get some power too. Might have to stick that little power converter thing somewhere over here if I can. Not too concerned about it right now. I'm just going to stuff that stuff right in here and turn it over. So, this is what we have so far. Nice red fan. Nice red fan, nice red fan. Don't know if you can see this one, but there's a red one there as well. So, that's all set, and now we're going to put my memory in and my processor fan. My brand new 2-year-old processor fan. Complicated plate here. Like I said, I did take this out before, so it was turned on. Alright, so crap. Looks like I'm gonna need to undo those screws. Put this on. Do I have any? No, I don't have any heatsink, so I have to borrow some from that. Probably not good for now, but for now it'll have to do. Heatsink is heatsink. See ya. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Doesn't even look like this is compatible. That's very, very much X-shaped, and that is cross-shaped, like tight X. Where is that plate? I might just be able to take these off and just have the plate clamp it down. How is this supposed to even work? That right there. Pause this. Okay, I figured it out. So, grab this, I have a heat sink with that too. So I had to take off the little teeny brackets on the side here. So I guess those are for older PCs. So I just sync these up with the line in the middle right there, and it makes like that shape. So I'm going to get my heat sink, rub it on here as best I can. Oh, this is too old. Way too old. I should have thought of that. Put that back on for now. And I need to go pause it again to find some heat sink. I don't have any. I don't think. Camera battery died, as per usual. So this is, I put the fan in. I was going to put it the other way, so it was going to directly blow out the air up into this fan, which is going to blow out from up top. But, let me pull this away a little bit more, and aim it up. Is that good? So, turns out the flow of this fan is sucking in. It does not blow. So it's going to suck it in, goes through the radiator. I thought it blew out, pulling air through the radiator, but it's the opposite. So it's going to suck air in, and it's going to go out the top. and that works really well because we have a fan on the bottom that's pulling in. This is pushing out. I don't think that flow is going to go up at the same time, so it shouldn't affect it. So this looks good so far, and now we're going to put in the power supply. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, I need to undo these real quick. So I think I'm going to lay this back down now that we got a good look at the inside of it, and I'm going to put the hard drives in too as soon as possible. Okay, cool. So as you can see, oh come on. Wow, this tripod sucks. Alright, so I have everything coming out from the front end going to here. Through the back, it's coming down either out of this one right here or this one right here. And depending on where it's going to, I made it so it had a straight line or just right up. And this guy, I have to figure out what the configuration is to put on over there. And I'll do that right now. But just want to do that first. And then I'm going to put the power supply in. And then after that, the hard drives, and then we're done. Really. And that's it. Look, that was crazy. Of course, it closed to the wind. It was page 17. There was actually a, yeah, look at that. There's a little barcode that has a little demonstration of it. So that's really cool. Yeah, I wish it marked it on there. I think the other one did for mine, but no big deal. So, that's it for the front panel stuff. That'll all work. You just have audio, USB 3.0, USB 2.0 is right here, and then all the front LED and buttons. And so hopefully that's pretty low profile right there with all the cords just tight in where they're supposed to go, or right over here. Not going to affect airflow at all for this guy. And now for the beast of the evening. Also, I found this really handy. Stick these two together like the diagram says and label them. That'll be super fucking helpful. Also, I'd like to point out that these are screwless little casings. So I'm going to put A on the second level, put Z on top. But yeah, so just that end is good, so put that right there. Pop these on one side, just pull out, and they're popped on. Really easy. On this over here, put it into the tray. If I'm on the tray here, am I on the tray? I'm in the holes. Well, maybe I can't fit one on the top. Put one right here. Yeah, looks like I can't fit one on the top. That means I will fit my other one on the top. Let's put the A right in here. I have no way of securing this really. Oh, there are little teeny screw holes right in there that line up. Ooh, yep. If I had zoomed in, there we go. So I'm gonna find some screws to put in there real quick. So probably little itty bitty ones, and I'll be back. What's great about this is these guys right here. They are the SATAs. So they're going to go right into here. This case works perfectly with this. So everything needs to go on this side anyway for the cabling, besides right here for the DVD drive. So I put that on the bottom. This guy was super easy to take off. You can see it. I twisted it around because everything's already plugged in. And I just need to pop off this over here so you can see what I'm talking about. It pops out from the bottom out, but I need to pop off the bottom drive right here. There we go, easy as that. And then I would assume it goes back on, top first, and then the bottom afterwards. Great. And that's a little in. It's not flush. But, oops. Oh, I put it in the wrong ones. You know, I was thinking about that. I was like, you know, I'm probably just gonna, like, get myself another drive pretty soon anyway, a Blu-ray drive. I shouldn't put all 4 screws in. I was like, yeah, I'll do it anyway just for showmanship, but I put them in the back ones, not in the front ones. So I'm gonna have to redo that right now. But I mean, other than that, that looks great. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen while I was recording. Other three went perfectly fine, didn't drop any screws. Plus this is at a bad angle for a righty. Alright, and that's in. That makes the front end nice and flush. Looks great. A little gray compared to the rest of it, but whatever. I can't say I really care that much if it'll run. So now, let me put in. Yeah, I guess I'll just do the power supply now. I'll worry about the SATA connections later. I'll actually get my other drive and put that in there too. Because why the fuck not? So that's 2. 3. Put this in. Nice. And then put the other one in too, and that'll be the last one actually before the extras on the bottom. For now, oh yeah, I didn't do that yet. I didn't put screws in my little small hard drive. I got distracted by the DVD drive. There we go. I got these teeny weenies. Very small. Focus? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's beautiful focus. Sorry my fingers are so gross. I've been doing this all morning and kind of they're dry and raw. So I'm going to put that in and then we'll start with the power. So I decided I was going to do the SATA before I did anything else, and I just looked it up in the book and there's no specifics on it, but I'm betting ports 1 and 2 are the boot ones. So I'm going to put the DVD drive on 2, the solid state on 1, and then the rest of them on 3 to 6. Do that right now. I'll do 1. I like to have them color coded instead of using the thing, so I'm going to put a red one through here. Good, nice and clear. Go normal. Although 1 is not specified. I'm thinking 1's on top, but I could be wrong. And this is like this. It's backwards in my other one. So that'll go to there. Then I'll have I'm not gonna use these black ones because they have 90-degree angles in them. These I don't need that. So what I will do is I'm gonna grab that black one from inside over there and use that one as the main one. I have a blue one downstairs in my room I will use for the, this one's shorter, doesn't really matter though. I have a blue one in my room I'm going to use for the DVD drive. So that's 2. And the 3rd. Not gonna worry about the 6th right now. We'll worry about that later. On the bottom. Not worry about the deja vu I just had. And that'll be good. And let me go get this black one over here. The straight black to black. There we go. Wrong side I cut. Cut the right angle side. Not going to use that one. Now this is a mess. A mess. Put it in there for now. It doesn't blow away in the wind. Okay, cool. Nice black cable. Sorry about that. They're both identical on both ends. Put that down over here. Put that on the bottom. There we go. Leave that right there, and I'll be right back to get the blue cable. Blue cable is perfect. Not only is it short, it's about the... Ran out of space again. Yeah. I'm good now, though. Okay, so let's put that curved one right here. It'll hit. Great. Just for effect, I think I'm gonna see if I can just do this. Keep it low profile. We're gonna go in and out of other things first. There we go. And that will work. Perfect. Great. Maybe I'll stick this down a little bit. But yeah, okay, cool, that works. So let me finally put in that power supply. I think I'm gonna put it in totally, and then just explain it, and then power it up when I get downstairs. That way I can save on battery. It's telling me it's low right now, so we're good. So as it turns out, the power supply was just a bit too big to fit in with the fan there. I could put the fan back in, but all these bottom ones are going to be blocked off about halfway up the pin, halfway up the first pin, and completely over the clip-in part. So that's not doable. So if I do want a fan there, it's going to have to be a like a 70 or something. But I can't put in my 120. I was going to put the 120 up top here as one of the top LED ones. Like I have the red one right here. But I want to keep in the 140. Especially the big fan right next to the processor fan. For best airflow. And with these two blowing up and this one blowing out, and this one's, I think it'll be fine. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.5 more fans than I had before. I did have a fan in the front, but I don't think it really did much. There was so much shit in the way. So, with that said, here it is. I got the setup all ready for these guys. I just need to plug in the power, and we're good. So let me do that now, and that'll be it. We'll be done with it.